Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale HubSpot for marketing success, complete guide step by step clearly. To scale HubSpot for marketing success, start by defining your marketing goals clearly. Identify specific objectives such as increasing leads, improving customer engagement, or driving sales. Next, analyze your current HubSpot setup. Review your existing assets, including landing pages, email campaigns, and social media accounts. Evaluate your contact management processes to ensure they align with your goals. Once you have a clear understanding of your current setup, it's time to optimize your content strategy. Create high-quality, targeted content that resonates with your audience. Utilize HubSpot's SEO tools to identify relevant keywords and improve your content's visibility. After content creation, segment your audience effectively. Use HubSpot's contact properties to categorize leads based on demographics, behaviors, and interests. This targeted approach will enhance your marketing efforts and improve engagement. Now, focus on automating your marketing processes. Leverage HubSpot's workflows to automate email campaigns, lead nurturing, and follow-ups. This will help you save time and maintain consistency in your marketing efforts. Next, integrate your HubSpot account with other tools you use. This might include CRM systems, social media platforms, or analytics tools. An integrated approach allows for seamless data sharing and better insights into customer behavior. Monitor your marketing performance regularly. Use HubSpot's analytics tools to track key metrics such as website traffic, conversion rates, and ROI. Analyzing these metrics will help you make informed adjustments to your strategy. Finally, invest in continuous learning and training. HubSpot offers a variety of resources, including courses, webinars, and community forums. Utilizing these resources will keep your team updated on marketing best practices and HubSpot features. By following these steps, you can effectively scale HubSpot for marketing success and drive meaningful results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.